everybody, my name is Jessica and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own bubble solution and how you can make different bubble wands using things you might have around the house. Let's get started. These are the things you're going to need for this project. A mixing bowl, Dawn soap, corn syrup, measuring cups, some water, a spoon to stir, maybe some stuff you might have around the house, some tape, some skewers, some straws, and some pipe cleaners.
First, I'm going to take 6 cups of room temperature water and add it to my mixing bowl. If you don't have Dawn soap, you can use any dish soap you have at home. Now, I'm going to add 1 cup of Dawn soap. Now, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Adding corn syrup to your mixture makes your bubbles a lot stronger. You can also handle your bubbles without popping them by coating your hands or your bubble wand in the solution. I'm going to stir very carefully. Once it's nice and stirred, you can start making bubbles with your very own bubble solution. I'm going to make my very own bubble wands. I got a red pipe cleaner and I'm tying it around to make a little circle and a handle. I used a pipe cleaner and a straw as my handle, so it's a little more sturdy. Here I had some mason jar tops, and they work very great for blowing bubbles. You can use anything you have around the house. If you have maybe some toilet paper rolls or craft rolls. You can also make lots of fun shapes with your pipe cleaners. Here I'm folding a pipe cleaner like a star. If you have an empty water bottle, you can cut the bottom of it and blow bubbles with it as well. Here I'm showing you all the wands I created. My favorite wand is probably the yellow star wand. It blows the best bubbles. I don't know why, but it does. This is a tool I found that has a nice hole that also works very well for blowing bubbles.
I hope this video has inspired you to create your very own bubble solution and create your very own bubble wands as well. Thanks for watching!